Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Bethuel Mabasa. I offer accounting, tax, audit, and advisory services. My company is Sisimuka Advisory Services. I started the company to bridge the gap between the informal traders that wanted to get into professional and formal way of doing things. By registering their companies, handling their tax services to ensure compliance is not compromised, and also to provide the accounting services to those clients that could not afford the services of the audit firms. So I started this business. I saw the market when I was in the audit firm, realizing that so many companies could not afford the hourly rate that the audit firms were charging, and they pretty as much need this compliance in tax and accounting. So I resigned in the audit firm to help these clients. My contact details are 078 2091 647. 078 2091 647. We are based in Midrand, 55 Richards Drive, Halfway House. Hi, my name is Bethuel Mabasa, and I am a township entrepreneur.